What is the one dream we all share? If you close your eyes and think, tell me if I'm close. You're doing whatever you want all day, traveling, shopping, laying on the beach, or maybe just spending time with those you love. Not once during this dream did you think about work, right? Even if you love what you do, there's no way you would rather be working, right? Although there's no way I can make that dream come true, let's be realistic. I have found a program that is not only is helping my new business but is also paying me over $192 a month in passive recurring income in my first 60 days. That's right. So far I have earned over $385 in my first 60 days. First, so you don't think I'm full of it, here is my income proof. The name of this program is MyLeadGen Secret, and it solves a huge problem for online businesses' buyer leads. With this program you receive either 100 or 200 buyer leads every day forever. 100 per day if you aren't active in the affiliate program. But if a person signs up below you, you now receive 200 buyer leads every day. Leads compound daily: 100 daily 3,000 per month, 36,000 per year, 200 daily 6,000 per month, 72,000 per year. The permission-based leads you will receive have all expressed interest in making more money online. We have, however, many reports of conversions in other niches, such as weight loss, diet, fitness, many more. If you are unsure if your offer will convert with our leads, feel free to reach out to us and an agent will give you advice based on current member campaign results. After creating your account, you will have immediate access to your first set of 100 leads. As a member, you have two options when it comes to contacting your leads. You can 1. Automatically import and mail your leads within our done-for-you mailing system, or 2. Download your leads and contact them yourself. We provide you with the email address, full name, IP address, and opt-in date for each lead. What you need: an internet connection device that connects to the internet, ability to send an email. What you don't need: a website, technical skills, an email list, a lot of money. What's the affiliate program like? To me, this is the best part of MyLeadGen Secret. The affiliate program is 5 levels deep. Let me show you. Compensation plan: the MLGS compensation plan gives you unlimited earning potential. Earn commission by selling MLGS memberships and master swipes to customers. The MLGS compensation plan allows affiliates to achieve the highest levels of payment, fast. Earn money as an affiliate: you receive 5-month on personal membership sales to customers who purchase directly from your affiliate link. Level 1, you receive 4-month on your personally sponsored affiliates membership sales. Level 2, 3-month on the membership sales of the people they personally sponsor. Level 3, 2-month on levels 4 and 1-month on level 5. Level 1, 5-month. Level 2, 4-month. Level 3, 3-month. Level 4, 2-month. Level 5, 1-month. One-time commissions are paid out on master swipe purchases at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 levels deep on 29.95 pricing, and 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 5 levels deep on 59.95 pricing. Note: commission will be accumulated until they reach a gross amount of 30, at which time they will be paid upon request. Commissions will be paid out via PayPal, check, or Bitcoin. Compensation plan as of today: here is my recurring monthly income I am generating. And there is also a 100 bonus if you get 5 sign-ups in 1 week. Win an unlimited number of 100 bonuses each week by simply referring 5 new confirmed membership sales in a 7-day contest period. You read that correctly. For every 5 paid new customers you refer in a 1-week period, you'll earn a 100 cash bonus. There is no limit. Refer 25 new paid customers in 1 week and you'll earn 500. Your new customer referrals will be counted for 1 calendar week. A week is defined as 12 a.m. Monday through 11:59 p.m. Sunday, Eastern Time. Okay. So by now you are just wondering, what does it cost to join, right? Is there a big buy-in fee? 300, 200, 100 a month? No, not even close. Surprisingly, which is exactly why I signed up to give it a try in the first place, it's inexpensive. It's going to cost you $1 per day, billed every 30 days. To be 100 transparent, there is a 31-time setup fee to join, so your initial investment will be $60. Every 30 days you will be billed $30. That's it. 60 initial payment and then 30 every 30 days, period. No additional fees are required. Now you know everything about this program. It's 100 proven. I waited 2 months to tell any of my family friends, because I knew people would think it was BS or a scam, but my bank account does not lie. If you're on the fence and think it's BS, contact me and I'll arrange a live video conference call to show you. You can contact me at support@spirits.com, just put MLGS in the subject line. There's even a private support group on Facebook to help everyone get great results. So there you have it, that's what I've been up to the past 60 days. Take some action and start making some real money to help make that dream come true, or just extra cash. Click the link in my post, or you can sign up at https://atooldetective.com. Go join MLGS. Be sure to contact me after you sign up. Thanks.